Oh, hello everyone. Let's have a little look at another revision video once I find the right document. Where are we? There we are. Very good. Here we go. So this is chapter 1 still. The last two questions of the chapter review. We have extended response ones, so it may be a little bit more challenging. We've got 384 passengers and 144 crew on a cruise ship. If there are 22 lifeboats, enough for everyone, how many are allotted to the passengers and how many to the crew? Alright, so to link this in with the topic of ratio and rates, I'm going to add up the total of everyone, and then we're going to split them into the lifeboats. 4 and 4 is 8, 12, 5, 28. So the ratio of people to lifeboats is 528 to 22. So now if we can simplify this down to 1, we'll find out how many on one lifeboat. 22 goes into that twice with 8, 4. 24 people per lifeboat, 24 for one. So now we can split up these into lots of 24. So 384 divided by 24, that is 1 and 6. So passengers get 16 boats. And what's 144 divided by 24 is 6. So 6 boats for the crew. Okay, 18. This one is a little bit more involved, but we'll have a quick look. Pump A can fill a tank. So let's go. Pump A fills a tank. Tank fill in 5 minutes. Pump B, what does it do? Can fill the tank in, I'll put it over here, 10 minutes. So move that over. 5 minutes for here. 5 for A and 10 for B. How long will it take to fill the tank if both pumps are working together? Okay. Alright, so let's have a look at the fact that this pump is filling twice as fast as this one. Double the speed, no, less than half the time, so it's twice the filling capacity. So perhaps we could do a ratio of 2 to 1 for the volume. How long will it take? Well, we'll get to that in a minute. 2 to 1 as far as filling up capacity. That's twice as fast as that one. So maybe then if we divide the tank, we'll do this. Divide the tank into 3 bits, 2 for the A and 1 for the B. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Now pump A fills this much, and pump B will do this much in the same time. And that will fill it. 2 parts for the A and 1 part for B. Pardon me. So exactly how long is that? Well, if it takes 5 minutes for A to fill the tank, it's only needing to fill 2/3 to fill up its quota. So how long is that? And you should end up with the same amount of time. So what's 2/3 of 5 minutes? It might be best to do it in seconds. 60 times 5, 300 seconds, times 2/3. 2/3 of 5 minutes. 200. 200 seconds. Now if I've done this right, this bit here is 1/3 of the pump B's capacity. It takes 10 minutes to do all 3 parts, whereas it only needs to do 1 part. That should be the same time. So what's 1/3 of 10 minutes? Well, 10 minutes is 600 seconds divided by a third. No, times. Times 1/3. 200, there we go. So how long will it take to fill the tank if both pumps are working together? 200 seconds. Or what's that, 3 minutes and 20. Going by that's pumping twice as fast as that one. So the ratio is 2 to 1. And so the total of all the parts is 3. 2 for pump A and 1 for part B. There we go. Thanks everyone.